Hi guys, welcome back to Design Engineer Studio. How has your design journey been? And in today's video, we'll be learning what shape dividers are and their function, why you need to add them on your designs. Firstly, what are shape dividers? These are graphics shape that you use on your design to give your designs a boundaries or layout. They are not necessarily needed, but when you use them it works very fine. Let me explain better with images. Here on my list, let me hide this. On this simple flyer design, you are going to see that there's a kind of demarcation on each function in the design. The first one is the topic, which is on the top right here, and the next one is the function and the reason why you need to join. I'll drop the link to access this course in the description box. And there is a kind of boundary here as well that demarcates where you can reach the link. Okay, so that's just how shape dividers work. It gives your designs a boundaries. It gives the viewers out the best way to enjoy and understand your design, starting from the theme to the function to the location, address, date, time. And let me show you another example. Design like this is the first side of the design is the images, like those the ministers, and the flyer is also shape divided to tell you this is the theme with the help of hierarchy and fonts used here. We are also able to is able to give your eyes a full direction of what the flyer entails. So shape dividers are not really necessary, but they give your designs a kind of feeling. They give your design a kind of mature layout that after the theme, then the function of the flyer and the date, they are all separated from another to give the viewers a simple and very fast understanding of how the design is all about the design. So the viewers have a straight information that this is a separate site for the information, the location, date, and the rest, and the next side is for the features, theme, and the rest, and the third one is for the minister, the title, the rest. So let me be showing you some examples of shape dividers here. You can customize them if you can use the Bezier tool, or you can use a shape to get them. You can even download them from Google. There are many of them. You can download them online or customize them, and examples are large wave, modern wave, small zigzag wave, a lot of them. And some of them will be creating them on our next video. And if you don't want to miss them, make sure you click on the subscribe button and comment in the comment box if you want any other videos to come up. And some are a bit curved, some are depending on your there are many of them. I think we create something like this on our previous video. There are many of them. They can be this way, in any way. You can write the full text here, the full details of it, and you write how to read them here. And that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to click on subscribe button if you are new, and smash the notification bell. See you guys next week, Friday. Bye.